actually established that when we take that first hard turn, everything in here is just going to yeet itself to one side and probably obliterate half our valuables. Got a nice mix of machine guns, camera stuff, Spiritus kit, C-stands, and just everything else that you could possibly imagine that 9 military age males would want to pack into a non-plated, unlicensed trailer.
Like, or you're in Arkansas, or you're in Tennessee, and I'll be like, can you just fucking leave me alone?
Yeah.
And then they'll arrest me.
And then we'll...
We're late, huh? Oh, good.
I don't know either. It's bright. 11 of them.
Fuck, is that it?
Prime slices, you're trying with this one.
Yeah, pretty chicken. Oh, it was perfect suburb, dude.
Welcome to Georgia, the home of drinking.
Official licensed DARC commercial.
I'm a pilot.
Smells like human shit over there.
Nice. Yeah, I know at least what you mean.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Adam with Spiritus Systems, and today I'm going to tell you about buttons.
What's up? It's starting. Oh, damn! You probably felt the whole meat, dude.
Yeah, naked.
Having to can't record this.
I think it's coming together.
Essentially.
So I can't walk out front one was clear. It's a lot clearer.
Weird thing. But to this fucking, he's like not telling us. He's like,
I don't know. It makes it.
That first episode with the Phantom of the Opera music.
Bite down the uncrushable. Is it frozen? Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. It's been all been. We all just got.
Yeah, that's just
Need all the blood flowing out of our
good.
I never fucking next year. Jeez, get out.
Aren't you? Actually, if you're out,
Yeah, give me a weapon. We'll make clean out.
They come back to bath, and we're striking us out of H&M, he's on the big.
No, we have 2.5.
We're gonna go outside. This tape?
Who's it? Who's it?
MP5 SD on UNC status. For real.
Actually, do I need my...
No stop until mission completion.
Assault now. Instead of just the other.
How are we doing?
We're just going the one.
You guys want your task roll just to make this go? You guys this one right here? It's just a wall. Look up a wall.
Yeah, he's doing it right now. Get a shot of that. All right. So we're here. I got the charge. I'm handing you the.